I was down, but I'm always gonna get back up. I'm my range, but I know I'm gonna get that truck. Done losing, I'm about to get that win.
Almost forgot to do the intro for this video. Hey YouTube, it's me, Kristianna. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to When It Out Pink. Hello. Okay, so we're outside the thrift store. We are at I was about to say Philly A Thrift. We're at Bulk Vintage in Philadelphia. Super cool, super gigantic warehouse. They're doing a fill-a-bag sale for the next couple days. I'm going on the second day of the sale. I'm also here mega early to get first dibs. They have like a first dibs. You just like pay a little bit more than usual and you can come early. So here we are. I'm excited. I don't know what I'm gonna find, but I'm gonna be super open. Like, fall is, you know, around the corner, and it stays cold more than it does warm. So I'm definitely just like going in really open-minded as to the items that I pick up, but staying within my kind of color palette that I have for myself, because I want to make sure that I wear the clothes. So we'll see. I'm hoping, like, if I'm being honest, I'm hoping I find a cute jacket, because I always find cute jackets here. That is the thing I'm really here for. But hopefully we find just good stuff generally. Let's go. All right, it's a new song, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. I'm feeling good, okay? All right, we're gonna get into this haul right now. I would normally do this totally different, but I'm like, I really just wanna get this video going, and it feels like, because it is a new day, I feel like I'm stalling. So I'm like, let me just do the thing. So, okay, so I was at the thrift store in heaps of all kinds of grime, smells, disgustingness, trying to find the things. Some of the things I think will be really cute on me. Some of the things I'm actually gonna gift to other people, because I just kept seeing stuff that just wasn't in my size. And that was kind of the hiccup of this time around. A lot of the rules that they normally have at this particular thrift store have been changed or updated, and there was just a lot more rules and a lot less selection than the past filler bags that I've done there. So that was kind of disappointing, but anyway, I tried to make the best of it. I found some things that I thought were cute that either I could remix into something else or give away, but I just wanted to show you everything that I got. I was so disgusted by the haul that I literally dumped everything into the washing machine. And then some of the stuff made it to the dryer. A lot of some of the things did not. A lot of the stuff made it to the dryer. Some of the things did not. Okay. So like, for example, this jacket. I pulled this jacket. I don't know if you can see it really good, but it's got all this like beaded detailing on it. It's a beautiful color. Washed, and I just like hung it up, you know what I mean? Super pretty. I also had gotten this kind of like beaded, this one also has like kind of beading sequins happening with it. It's like cropped. I think I should be able to put this on. I feel like I should be able to fit it. It's heavy though because of all the sequin, but I thought it was cool. I found this top. Again, don't know if it'll fit or if I will be giving this away. But the color was really pretty. That's the one thing with buying clothes firsthand, that the shades of pink aren't what they used to be. And so I really enjoy thrifting different pink shirts and stuff. This one has, I like thrifting different pink tops because the shade range of pinks vary a little bit more than what they make today. I just wanted to finish that thought. Check out that button detail. It's really pretty. Little starfish action. I love the swoosh swoosh jackets from the back days. I already have a couple, but I was like, if this one didn't fit me, which I think it does fit me. I was gonna say if it didn't fit me, I was gonna give it away, but I think it does fit me. And there's nobody's name on it, so I don't have to like do any edits. Let's just see. It does fit me. They also don't make this color teal anymore. Like, you just don't see it. Yeah. I found this jacket. Ooh, it smells good now. It did not before. Okay. I found this jacket, which I was really hoping would fit. And now I can try it on. Uh-oh. It doesn't fit. Like, I can put it on, but it doesn't fit. That's too bad. I'm gonna see if my sister wanted it, but I was really into this fabric because it's kind of reflective, if you can see, and pretty. And it's got a hood. Ooh, and it's got a cute detailing on the back. Can you see that? It's got like a crisscross back detailing. That's gorgeous. I found this fun and like kind of quirky top. I used to wear shirts like this all the time. I will say I think my taste has changed a little bit. But when I saw it, I was like, oh, I love this. And it's got pink. Gotta get into it. I would be actually surprised if this tank top actually was vintage. I don't think it is, but I found it and I was like, I want to see if I can fit it because I love stuff that has a little bit of movement, especially because I have like a big stomach. So like when the tops move, I feel a little bit more confident, especially like if I put like a little tight skirt or something like that on, you know, fun. I don't remember getting this. Oh no, that's because it's 2 pieces. Okay. Let's see, the first piece, just like this very loosey-goosey, beautiful detailing though, top. This is gorgeous. We'll see though if I can actually wear it or if I have to give it away. But then the second piece, I do remember this. It's meant to fit more jacket like. Hold on, I'm trying to flip it right side, right? Yeah. Okay, it's really long. It's really long. It's again that like kind of peachy pink. There's some beading detail. Even like that closure is really pretty. We're gonna see about this. I'm thinking maybe some denim, maybe some boots or something. I found this dress. I don't know if I can wear the dress, but I feel like I can wear the dress. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. But it's maroon. Ooh, it looks really pretty on camera. It's actually a little bit darker in purple in person. Darker in person. But it's got these polka dots on it, and I couldn't leave it. I think I got it. I think I got this. But I saw it and I was like, oh, this is a Kristianna dress. It may not be in the right color, okay? But this is a Kristianna dress. Yeah. Okay, I picked this next one up knowing damn well it can't fit me. Knowing damn well, okay? But I couldn't leave it there. I was like, I'm gonna turn this into a fucking hat. I'm gonna turn this into something. I'm gonna turn this into something. Okay, hold on, let me get real close so you can see the details. Look at this little jacket. It's a little jacket, like a kid-sized jacket, right? And I was like, what am I gonna turn this into? Okay, what am I gonna turn this into? I was like, I can't leave this here. And I'm rarely like that. Like, what's for me is for me, you know what I mean? And I would put stuff back just because I know this thing is not for me. But something, I had to take it, okay? I had to. Knowing damn well it's not my size. But this jacket is so cute. I'm like, I need to turn this into something. A bandana, something. this material. Definitely giving granny's couch, but somehow I was still attracted to it. That's all right. I'm gonna wear it this fall. Yeah. This jean jacket I'm definitely giving away. I guess I could have took the stuff off of it before I washed it. Definitely giving it away. I also picked this up knowing I couldn't actually wear it myself. But I think my sister or someone can actually fit this. So we gonna see. It's cute though, but it's also not vintage. There was a Marshall's tag on it. Not vintage, but still very cool. It's a gigantic t-shirt. At some point, I think I would like to dye it. Just because of the quality of the material says that it would be worth doing that. But for now, it is what it is. It's a Dickies shirt. Here's another jacket that I picked up that I want to see if Lauren, my cousin, if you know, you know, my cousin Lauren, I want to see if she can fit this, and if she can, I would love to gift it to her because this is all her. I don't know, because I'm damn sure not getting in it. I don't think so. Yeah, damn sure not getting into it. No, okay. What is this? Oh, another jacket. This is in a 1X, and it feels like it might be, oh, I guess I can't fit it, never mind. This is fun. I don't know if you can see the details. See that? You know I'm attracted to anything sparkly. How to Catch a Kristianna. Just like put some sparkly pink stuff out. Yeah. Last piece of clothing is another jacket. I think it's a jacket, or is it a shirt? Oh, this is more of a shirt, but it's super pretty. It's beaded, it's kind of witchy. Because if you, I don't even think you have to use your imagination. If you look at how this looks, it kind of reminds you of a spider, like a bunch of spiders, right? I'm not sure if that's intentional or not, but super detailed top. Oh, and the bottom is really pretty too, scallop. Okay. And the last thing I got was actually this handbag. They had so many bags. I normally don't look at the handbags or whatever, but they had so many that it was like you kind of had to, and I really just enjoyed the way that this is worn, but not so much that you can't use it anymore. It's in really good condition, and I thought it'd be cool to like get some bag charms and like have the charms hang off the bag, you know? Very mature. Yeah. All right, my friends, that's it for this video, and that's it for the haul. Let me know your thoughts. At first I thought that this was a bust, but I'm not that sure that it was a bust. I think I did okay. Now, was it worth $60? Was it worth $60? I don't know about that. I've done more with less money. But yeah, my patience just wasn't there when I was in there. I thought, you know, like it was first thing in the morning, I'd be ready to go. And then once I got in there and heard all the new rules and like the way that they were running it, and I was like over it. But the items I got, I'm okay with. Like I said, they weren't worth $60, but I'm okay. Anyway, let's keep talking down in the comments. What do you think? This is a bust? You can tell me. It's a bust. All right. Bye.
Dumb, diddy, dumb, dumb. Twiddling your thumbs so you see I'm from.